Welcome to 360 DCAD.
Welcome. Let's start the press tool assembly. So this particular figure shows the complete assembled part of a press tool. This is the exploded view of the press tool assembly. So to assemble this particular assembly, let's start creating the individual parts. So concentrate on the first part. So this is the bottom plate. So go to the create parametric, select working directory, create new directory, press tool, okay. Now go to the new solid part, solid, then name, that particular name is the bottom plate, then click on ok, select your MMNS part solid and ok. So to draw a particular plate having the height of 150 and width of 250 and thickness 30. So go to the extrude, select the top plane, go to the sketch view, select the center rectangle. So 150 by 250, then click on ok, extrude it by 30, select extrude on both sides, click on ok. Now draw these 4 holes. So first draw this particular bottom hole 30 and 30 distance and phi is 25. So go to the hole command, select the plane, then rotate part accordingly. So we know the distance from this particular plane, that is 30. Also we know the distance from this particular plane, this is also 30, and phi is 25 and hole is throughout. So click on ok. So this one hole is generated. Let's make the pattern, make it the directional, select this horizontal direction and the distance between two hole is 190 and second direction is 90. So this particular distance is equal to 190 and click here for second direction. This is the second direction, it is going into the backward direction, so flip it and the distance between it is 90. So make ok. So this much part is completed. Now let's create one another hole that is at a distance of 50. On left side distance is 125. So again go to the hole command, select the plane, then we know the distance from this particular plane, that is a 50, and we also know from this particular plane which is 125 and phi is 50 and hole is throughout. Click on ok. So this particular part is completed. So save it and close it. Now let's draw the next part. So let's concentrate on the top plate. So again top plate is 250 by 150, again same 3 hole and 1 extrude. So again go to the new part solid, use template uncheck and top plate, ok. MMNS part solid, ok. Again go to the extrude, select the top plane, go to sketch view, center rectangle 150 by 250, click on ok, extrude it by 30, extrude on both sides, click on ok, then go to the hole command, place particular hole on the plane. We know the distance from this particular plane, that is 30. Also we know the distance from this plane, so this is also 30 and diameter is also 30 and hole is throughout. So this is 30 and here pi is 40. So change 5 to 40 and then click on OK. Let's make the pattern. Select the directional pattern, select first direction, and distance between two is again 190. Click on second direction, flip it, and again distance is 90. Click on OK. Now we have to create the extrude. So extrude of 550 and at a distance of again same as previous one. So go to the extrude, select the bottom surface, click on sketch view, then draw the rectangle. We know the distance from this particular plate is 50 and 5 is also 50. Click on OK. Extrude it by the distance of 90. Then click on OK. So this part is completed. Save it and close it. So let's draw the next part, that is a guide pillar. So go to the new part solid, guide pillar, click on OK, MMNS part solid, OK. So let's extrude, sketch view, draw a circle having phi is equal to 25 and extrude is 200, chamfer is 2 into 45. So extrude is 25, click on done, extrude on both sides and thickness is 200, length is 200. Then click on OK, make the chamfer, select angle into T and D is 45. Press Ctrl and select another edge, then click on done and save it, close it. So next is a bush guide bush. So again you go to the crew parametric, new, use default template, uncheck. Guide bush, OK. Select MMNS part solid, OK. Then go to the extrude, select the top surface, go to the sketch view, draw a circle. So and inner hole is 25. So this is equal to 40 and second hole is of diameter 25. Click on OK. Again extrude it on both sides and distance is 60. Click on OK. Make again the chamfer on the edge, 45 into T. D is 2. Also press Ctrl and select the another edge. Click on OK. Save it. OK. So this particular part is completed. Now we want to draw this particular assembly. So for drawing that assembly, save it, close it, then go to the new, use default template, uncheck, make select the assembly design and assembly name will be press tool. And then click on OK. Select your MMNS ASM design, click on OK. So now call the first part, that is the bottom plate, then change automatic to default and click on done. Now assemble the guide pillar, open it, give the axis and make it coincident. Then this surface should coincident with this surface, click on done. Now make the pattern, reference has been already taken, click on OK. Then again go to the assemble, then open the top plate, open. So this axis coincident with this particular axis, make it coincident. Again go to the placement, select new. This axis should coincident with this particular plane. So just slide it. Here it shows the constraint is invalid, axis cannot be co-constraint with the plane, so delete it. And this particular surface should be oriented, so it is creating some particular issue. Let's cancel this part and first assemble the bush. So call the guide bush. So let's check the assembly. So let's call the top plate first, open it. So this particular axis should coincide with this axis, make it coincident, so this plate still can be rotated. So again go to the placement, new constraint, this axis should coincide with this particular axis, make it coincident. Now here no distance is given between these two plate, so as it is movable we can set it the any particular distance. So create a new constraint, select this particular plane and this particular plane, don't make it coincident, take it as a distance. You can slide it and increase that particular distance. Let's set that distance to be 110. Click on OK. Now call the bush. So this is the guide bush, open it. Now this plane should coincident with this particular plane and top surface should coincident with topper surface. So make it coincident, click on done. Now pattern the guide bush. So reference is automatically taken, click on OK. So this is the complete assembly of tool. So make the everything else invisible. You can change the shading with edges to get the clear view. So this is the complete assembly. Thank you.